Hello. The main purpose of the Ganis Pro application is to assign the navigation responsibilities to someone else in the car other than the driver. The driver will continue to use a device that will run a navigation app, but another person in the car will have to monitor the route, look for alternative ones to bypass traffic jams, look for new points, etc., and send the GPS coordinates needed to adjust the route directly to the navigation app used by the driver. This way, the driver will be able to focus only on driving, and from time to time, if necessary, interact with his navigation app to determine what happens with the received coordinates. With the help of Ganis Pro you can assist not only the driver of your car, but also the drivers of the vehicles with whom you travel to the same destination. For example, suppose you are going in a trip with other friends to Lake Como. To prepare for this trip, you will search and save a list with points of interest, accommodation, restaurants, places to visit, etc. In Ganis Pro, in the Points tab, you will make a new folder, to Como, enter the name and select the icon and the color. For accommodation, you can search in Google Maps a hotel near the destination. Choose one of them. Go to the More menu. Choose Share Place and then select Ganis Pro from the list that appears. You should check if the point was imported correctly. Press the More button next to the point name, choose Move and select the To Como folder. More information on how to save points can be found in the video, Ganis Pro, Working with Points. Suppose that you and your friends travel in two cars. The driver of the first car is John. You, the group coordinator, will also travel in this car. The driver of the second car is Jane. In the Navigassist tab you will create a new group, press this button, select the members, press Next button, fill in the group name, press Done on your keyboard, then press Finish. At this point, the group is saved only on your device. When you actually get on the trip, you will activate the group. Each member of the group will receive a notification of group activation. John, being in the same car with the group coordinator, will select the respective option. At any time, the group coordinator can find out the status of each member, either by analyzing the icon next to his name, or by tap on its name. Also, he will receive a notification message whenever a member joins or leaves the group. Next, send to the group the coordinates of the destination. Go to the Points tab, in the To Como folder, find the previously saved point and press the Send to Group button. The field name is editable, so if necessary you can change it. Select the option to send the point to your navigation app and tap OK. The coordinates will be sent directly to the 3 navigation apps. In Ganis Pro, in the Points tab, in the 0_Navigassist folder, all group members will find a new folder that contains the group name, along with a short unique group identifier. Inside this folder you will find all the points sent or received, which, if necessary, you can send at any time to your own navigation app. The coordinator and the members can view at any time the current locations of the group members. For this, you will go to the Nav Assist tab and press this button. After you tap on OK, the application will get the current location of your device, after which it will request the same from the other members, except to the one who is in the same vehicle with the coordinator. After approximately 30 seconds, the application will alert you and display the respective locations on the map, including the distance between the one who requested and the ones who sent them. The distance is calculated across the map, and does not represent on the road distance. If you are not interested in this information, you can disable this option in the application settings. Suppose that later on, another car is joining the group. His driver is Matt. You will add him to the group. For this, you will go to the Nav Assist tab. Open the group. Press this button. Select Matt from the list of friends, press the next button and then the finish. Then, you will send him the coordinates of destination. Go to Points tab, find the point, then press the Send to Group button, but choose only Matt from the list of members. If you want to find out Matt's current GPS location, go to the Nav Assist tab. Open his member menu and choose View Member on Map. At one point, the group decides to go shopping in Milano. You will look for the new destination and send it to Ganis Pro. From there you will send it to the members of the group. The way this new destination is managed on drivers' devices differs from one navigation app to another. In Waze, the user is asked if he wants to add a stop on the route. In Google Maps navigation, the user must cancel the current route and create a new one to the last destination received. After the shopping ends, when leaving again for Como Lake, there are two variants. First, each driver, depending on the navigation app used, will decide how to proceed, having in Ganis Pro all the points received up to that moment from the coordinator. Second, the coordinator will once again send the final destination to all members of the group. At any time, each member, for various reasons, may choose to leave the group and no longer receive any notifications or points from the coordinator, or to deactivate it, in which case he will no longer receive points, but he will receive notifications of deactivation or activation of the group. It should be mentioned that only the active members can be viewed on the map. At destination, the coordinator can choose to deactivate the group. If necessary, he can also permanently delete that group. Each member will receive a notification.